Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Coles MasterCard account online. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in www.secure.coles.com.au. Now in this login portal, you'll have to enter your username associated with your account and a valid password. If you want your device to remember your username, then check the box that says remember my username. And if you don't want it, then uncheck the box. And if you have trouble remembering your username or password, then you can click on forgot username or password link. Also, if you do not have an account yet, then click on register link. Finally, after entering your details, click on the login button to proceed. And that is how you can log into Coles MasterCard account online. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.